Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix Telegram not sending verification code. So go back to your screen, right? Go ahead to the general, right? And make sure that your internet connection is strong, right? Scroll a little bit down to right here. Make sure that your internet connection is strong. Scroll a little bit down to the general, right? And then make sure that your VPN is disconnected. Now go back to the general and then go ahead to the iPhone storage. And you're gonna try to pin down Telegram, right? So we're gonna try to pin down Telegram. And here what we're gonna do, we're gonna just upload the app, and by uploading the app, we're gonna release some of the unnecessary data. So now go back to your screen and then go ahead to the App Store, Google Play, and type right here Telegram, right? And you're gonna make sure that you updated your Telegram to the latest version, and that should fix your problem, right? If it didn't, just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your general, and then make sure that you transfer or reset iPhone, and you gotta reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. And make sure that your Telegram is not banned from your region. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.